You guys see the... Okay, let me focus it. Okay, there it goes. The fireworks.
We're just zooming in here.
It happens every night, I heard. Okay, where'd they go? I'm trying to wait until they come back so I can focus it. Because right now it's out of focus.
My back is hurting.
Is that done?
Tomorrow we have a birthday party to go to.
Okay, I guess that's it. Is it done or not? Okay, let's just wait a few more seconds. How long does it go on?
I don't know. I think it's done.
Alright, it's done.
Okay.
We'll get back to recording if we hear him again. Okay, so bye everyone.